Hi up there guys, in this video I will show you how to enable limited comments on TikTok. First guys, go on your profile section and then select the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then you should go and select the third selection that says settings and privacy. Right after that, on the account section you need to go and find for the second selection which says privacy. Click on that, and then here as you can see you have many options right there, but you need to choose on the safety side the comment section. Click on it, and here guys as you can see also you have a lot of options included and related to the comment section. Now here we have the first one, who can comment on your videos. Here you can choose who can comment on your videos. For example, you're gonna go with no one, and no one be available to comment on your videos. Also you can go with your friends, which means followers that you follow back. Also on the comment filters, as you can see you have the filter all comments, and that says recent comments on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. You have that option and you can go and turn it on. Also you have option for filter spam and offensive comments. Recent comments that may be offensive or spam will be hidden unless you approve them. Also have this option and you can go and turn it on. And on the comment management you can review filtered comments and then you can approve them with a display. Now guys, you know how to enable limited comments on TikTok. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.